Today, it lies in silence, broken pillars, fallen statues, a drowned memory beneath the sea. But once, this was a shining city of gold and fire. Let me show you the world Heracleion once was. This is Heracleion, a city born from the Nile, carved in gold and sunlight. Today, we walk through it as it lived. The gates open at dawn. Priests light the first fires. Merchants flood the streets with bronze, linen, and spices. Boats slide through the canals, carrying offerings to the Temple of Amun. Look at the harbor. Warships and trade vessels painted with bright patterns waiting for the tide. Children run between columns as musicians echo through the square. But step deeper. In the workshops, bronzesmith's hammer sparks into the morning air. Scribes bend over fresh papyrus, recording the breath of the city. Perfume makers grind oils that drift through the courtyards like incense. Inside the great temple, kings kneel before towering statues. Sacred oils burn. Drums shake the stone beneath your feet. By noon, the city glows. Gold, water, heat, voices, life. A living jewel rising from the river. This is the Heracleion no one thought they would ever see again. Not the ruins, but the city alive.